guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Veronica, and we're gonna do a drugstore tutorial using all drugstore products, well, as best as I can do. So before I even got on set, I primed with the Maybelline Prime Master Studio, the Blur and Smooth. I also did my brows. I keep going back to different brow pencils, and in the end, this is the one that just stays on all day through heat, water. It's called the Total Temptation brow, and it kind of looks like this. This is the tip, if you can see it. Okay, the Pond's Dark Corrector Facial Cream, and then I also did a little spot correcting. I didn't do a full foundation, but I did a little spot correcting with the Fit Me. I'm in the shade 332. This is one of the best foundations. It's the Matte and Poreless. I'm gonna go into this banana color right here, and I'm gonna set under the eyes. But my contour. It's corrector because we're gonna go and use this as an eye primer since I don't have a drugstore primer. This will work just as good. It is called the Everyday Eyes Must Have Naturals. We're the M200 brush, and I'm gonna pick up this neutral transition shade right here, and I'm gonna buff this into the crease. Can you guys see that? We're gonna do that on the other side. Tap. It's a beautiful day out in Florida. It's a little bit hot, but it's not humid, and it's a little bit breezy. So it's really nice. C brush, it doesn't even have a name. Actually, it's a Luxie 249 brush. It's a double-sided brush. And I'm gonna take this end right here. Can you guys see that? And I'm gonna go into this darker taupe color right here. I'm gonna put that into my crease and really just work it in right here. Look how easy this is. And this blends so good. Drugstore makeup right here. Get it in there. We can go back into that taupe, the light taupe, and we're gonna blend it out. Just blend because you don't want any harsh lines. Use a towel on my head. I say that now like 38 minutes into the video. Actually 7 minutes. Told you 1,000 times, don't exaggerate. Hey! Okay, now we're gonna do the lid. We can go back in with this brush. I'm like trying to do this easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We're gonna go into this color right here, the bigger color. And we're gonna put that right in the middle. Look at this pigment, y'all. Then we're gonna take our blender brush again, and we're gonna blend it in. Urban Decay brush that I got with the After Dark palette, but I like this tip right here. I'm gonna go into this little one right here, and I'm gonna go into the corner. Look at that, bam! I'm gonna go into the corners of my eyes. On the bridge, but I'm going to be putting a brow pencil on the bridge anyways. And then I'm going to take the smudgy side, make sure it's clean, and just smudge that out so it looks more natural. Look, we're done with our eyes practically. This is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Brow Razor. It's got two ends. The one is like a matte peachy side for like defining the brows, and the other one's highlight. And this is the wild thing. Watch this. I use this for my nose. It's so weird. And then you know what I do? I take my finger, my chubby sausage fingers, and I blend it out, and then I go right into the brow. You can use this side. We are going to use the e.l.f. It doesn't even have a name, isn't that something? It comes with a mirror. It's got these two beautiful colors. I love this contour. It's just the right cool tone for me. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe stippling brush. This is the Morphe M427 brush. Sorry. And I'm just gonna go into that brown tap. Look at that. It's crazy. But no worries, because I'm going to take this big powder brush. Sorry, I can't get the name for you on this because I got it at TJ Maxx. And we're gonna get them blended out. And then it has a light color here. I'm gonna tap into that light color just to go over it. Just so we don't have no crazy ass lines. Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the color Vintage Rouge. First of all, you open it up. It smells absolutely divine. Oh, it smells like coconuts. It smells like you're on a beach. And it's got this creamy consistency. It's like a powder to cream. You guys see that? Let me swatch it. It's just a ever so soft pink color. It just gives you a natural flush. I'm gonna dip my Morphe. No, this is Daisy Fuentes brush. It doesn't have a number. And we're gonna go just like this. Just right above the contour. Light. Oh, I'm blushing. And then I put a little right here. Physician Formula Butter Blush. If you're familiar with the Butter Bronzer, it's an amazing bronzer. Now they have a sister store sprays I have. First, I'm going to spray with the Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist because I'm prepping for highlighters, so I want to make sure my face is dewy. And we're going to go into this Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist with rose water and green tea. Okay, guys? Get your hands on that. Probably $8 at Target. Shake it up. I'm going to spray. You guys probably seen these. Oh, this needs to be. I promise you guys I've cleaned this. It just looks a little loved. That's all. Okay. I'm going into this new Hard Candy highlighting palette. This is the Just Glow and it's called Cruisin' the Coast. It's number 1332. These are stunning. They have all different kinds too. I'm gonna go into this middle color right here. It's like a gold. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Look at that. I'm gonna just dip with my non-damp beauty blender and I'm going to take this onto the high points of my cheekbone and you guys are gonna see a glow. That. Do you see that? Then I'm gonna do it again. I just go like in a C formation. Badesco facial spray with aloe cucumber green tea. Give it a shake. Spray the flat end. And then I go over it. Look at that. Can you see that glow? Shine bright like a diamond. Found this one by Revlon. It's Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. This is in the color 100. Glitter. That dries just the same. Look at that. It's not the same color, but it's the same kind of idea. And then it also has this applicator. Let me just show you that real fast. Okay. And then on the other end, it has like a cream shadow. I'm not going to use the cream shadow, but I just want to show you guys like a taupey golden pearl. Look at that. And look at how that rubs in. Okay. But that's not what I'm going to use the glitter just in the center of my lid, just to give this look a little, gotta let the look match with the top. Okay, I'm just going to go right into the center, like that. Okay, see that? Not fingers again. We're going to tap these lips, even if I eat a meal, no matter what. So I decided to go in with my favorite. This is literally my go-to nude now, drugstore wise. It is the Maybelline Super Stay line matte ink, and they just came out with these nudes, and this is in the color 65 Seductress. Do you guys see that? Wait a minute. Yeah, 65. So you shake it up. Once this goes on, and you have to give it a couple seconds to dry, but once it goes on, you could eat, kiss, stand all day. But before I do that, I forgot. I want crusty looking lips. So I'm gonna go in with the EOS Balm Full Volume Mascara Express. This one, it's in the color M900. You guys see that? Okay. It kind of reminds me of the Benefit Roller Lash. I use cottage cheese or milk. Cottage cheese has a more opalescent white. You see that? It's like more of a shiny white. Maybe I'll go with that. And the milk is just a matte white. Added cheese today. Now I'm gonna rub off this lip balm. Super Stay. Look at this applicator, y'all. It makes it like literally like mistake proof. Words are hard today. Overwhelming candy smell. I better get this on fast, but such a pleasant smell. A little hit of setting spray. I gotta blow dry my hair. But look at that glow from that hard candy highlighter. It's with the Mario Badescu. This is my favorite drugstore setting spray, and we are gonna spray so that this makeup's all the powder just goes one with the skin. We're gonna go ahead and give it a good spray. And one more for good luck. Okay, so I hope you guys like this drugstore tutorial. That's it. It's all done. I feel like it came out pretty good. That highlighter is popping. All right, I love you guys. Stay tuned for my next video. It's going to be a good one. As always, I love you guys. Thank you for watching.